juvenile crime in India. Ma'am, okay. Thank you. Next, please. So here the first slide is meaning of juvenile crime. But before telling you the meaning of juvenile crime, I would like to tell what we can call juvenile crime as. Juvenile crime can also be known or named as juvenile delinquency or juvenile offending. Now here one question arises, what does juvenile mean? Juvenile means a child or a person who has not completed the age group of or age limit of 18. And crime means an offense which is punishable under any law for the time being in force. Now juvenile and crime, they both together form juvenile crime. Now here you can see some pictures are there. This is a seedling, and if this seedling gets good and proper environmental condition, this will become like this. That is a flourish tree. And if it doesn't get good environmental condition, then it will become somewhat like that. Next, please. Over to you.
There are n number of juvenile crimes, but we have picked out some of the major ones. First is murder. Murder is the unlawfully killing of a person with malice aforethought. Second is harassment, like bullying someone or taunting another person. Third is forcible rape. It is a type of sexual assault against a person without his consent. Third is vandalism. It is willful or malicious destruction of a property, like tagging, graffiti, or writing in a public restroom walls. Next is traffic violation, like overspeeding of bikes, cars, or not wearing helmets or overseat belt of the car. Next is arson. It is willful or malicious burning or attempt of burning public places. Next is robbery and theft. And the last one is school disciplinary offense, like disrupting the class, etc. Thank you. Next.
There are many reasons of juvenile crime. First of all, I am going to tell about family. Family reasons. Family includes the economic problems and psychological problems and social and lack of moral values and important thing is the parenting style also. And second thing is the personal reason. Personal reason is physical disability, mental illness, and use of drug and social concern, etc. And third thing is peer group influence, involved in gangs and bad company and abusive behavior. And fourth thing, educational curriculum, and lack of discipline in school, lack of extracurricular activities, and lack of moral values and good education.
The effects of juvenile delinquency are pain and suffering of crime victims. It means in every crime, victims are suffered. Loss of productive citizens and property. Economic loss. Increase in crime rate. According to National Crime Bureau record, the crime rate has increased 13.7% as compared to last year. Affects the country's image. Juvenile crime is increasing and it's affecting the country's image and tourism also.
Next, please. Now, if we talk about the cases, then cases can be divided into two classes. That is major offences and minor offences. Major include rape, kidnapping, murder, etc. And minor include threatening somebody for life, scuffling, fighting with somebody, etc. Now here you can say three cases are written over here. First one is 16 December 2012. That is Delhi gang rape case. We all know about this case, and this was also named as Damini case. The second two are Pratap Singh versus State of Jharkhand and another, and Shah Nawaz versus State of UP and another. These two belong to major offences. Next, please. Laws and acts. Now the first one is Act under the age of 7. Under this act, this says that nothing is an offense. And the second one is act of a child above 7 and under 12 of immature understanding. This also says that nothing is an offense because that child knows nothing. Next is shelter homes. Many shelter and special homes, reform homes are also there for special child. And next one is bail of juvenile. Yes, bail can be granted as well as refused if needed. The next one is imprisonment and fine, or both can be fined to a juvenile criminal. Next one.
Thank you. And here we have remedies. As we know that education is very important for every child and every juvenile. So education is very important. And second, moral teaching. I would like to explain it with an example. As we know that seed needs good environmental condition so that it can grow into a healthy plant, and otherwise it will grow into a unhealthy plant. And other we have, as we know that our central and state government has opened many new reform centers, and I think to eradicate juvenile crime from our country, we should get the CCTV cameras installed. And here we have keeping an eye on the activity of children. And the last one, decrease the gap between the children and their parents. It is very important because nowadays parents are very busy with their time, and it is very important. Next please. Here we have a very beautiful quote, and here we have two pictures. One is of books and other is of gun. So now it depends on you that which one you want. Next please. At the last, I would like to say thank you because you all were all yours to us.